Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a table in Canva using two different methods. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the option available if you have Canva Pro. I already have my project open and we'll start by navigating to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to type in Charts. This will display a variety of charts and tables that you can use directly in your project. Some of these might work well as tables, but keep in mind that many of these options are only available for Canva Pro users. Since I have Canva Pro, I can use them. However, if you don't have a Pro subscription, I don't recommend relying on this option as many of the useful templates will be locked. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, or if you prefer more customization, you can manually create your own table using shapes. To do this, search for the rectangle shape in the Elements search bar. Click on a basic rectangle shape to add it to your canvas. Once the shape appears on your project, you can adjust its size and color to fit your design. I'm going to change the color to blue, but you can choose any color that works for your project. After adjusting the color and size, place it where you want your first table cell to be. Next, we need to duplicate this shape to create more cells. Select the shape by clicking on it, then hold down the Shift key and click on any additional shapes you want to copy together. Once you've selected the shapes, press Ctrl+C to copy them and then press Ctrl+V to paste them. Now, move the new shapes into position to form the second row of the table. Repeat the process to create more rows. Select the entire row by holding Shift and clicking on each shape, then press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V again to duplicate the row. Drag the new row into place below the previous one. Continue this process until you've built a table with as many rows and columns as you need. And that's how you can create a custom table in Canva without needing any Pro features. It gives you the flexibility to adjust the colors, sizes, and layout however you want. Thanks for watching.